Looking for speaker wire that truly delivers on sound quality without the hassle? Silverback Pre-Terminated Speaker Cable promises just that, audiophile-grade performance with an installation so simple, it's practically plug and play. If you want to get the most from your high-performance speaker system, this cable is designed to make that happen effortlessly. What sets Silverback apart? It starts with pure copper conductors that offer the clearest, most authentic sound possible. Unlike typical 12 Aruban Florins wires, Silverback boasts over 2.5 times more strands, which means better flexibility and improved signal transmission. Plus, it's 99% oxygen-free, preventing those tiny oxygen pockets that can degrade sound quality and shorten cable life. You get a cable built to last and perform at the highest level. Installation is where Silverback really shines. Each cable comes pre-terminated with premium banana plugs featuring precision 24K gold conductors. This means a secure, corrosion-resistant connection every time. The plugs are color-coded for quick setup, making it easy to match your speakers without guesswork. No soldering, no fuss, just a clean, reliable connection that maximizes your system's potential. One user from the United States shared their experience. They needed a 25-foot run between their preamp and speakers. After choosing Silverback, they found the wire to be thickly insulated yet flexible, perfectly matching the advertised length. The banana plugs were firmly attached, ensuring a solid connection. For anyone debating whether to invest in high-quality speaker wire, this cable offers a reasonable price point without compromising performance. If you're ready to upgrade your audio setup with a cable that balances exceptional sound quality and easy installation Silverback is worth a look. It's designed for those who want to hear every detail clearly, without spending hours on complicated wiring. Try it when you're ready to experience what your speakers can really do. Don't settle for ordinary speaker wire that limits your sound. With Silverback Pre-Terminated Speaker Cable, you get what matters most: pure copper clarity, durable construction, and plug-and-play convenience. If that's you, take the step toward better sound today.